Okay, good morning, everybody. I'm Mark Bowick. I'm Deputy Director here at KITP, and this conference is actually the first week of a 10-week program on active solids. So that program the lead coordinator for that program is Anton Suslov, and then Daphne Klotzer, Daniel Sussman, who's there, and Christina Marchetti are the coordinators of that program. So. And this conference has the same set of coordinators, but Daniel Sussman led this conference organization. So please thank all of those coordinators. You can pass the... it's great to see so many friends and familiar faces here, but we always like to ask, for how many people is this the first time in this building? Wow, it's about half, so that's really what we strive for, to get new people here. The programs here are developed by discussions and conversations with the international community. Proposals are due like around the beginning of November, and we work like 2 years in advance. So we already have programs on the web through the year 2025, 2026. So the next proposals will be for 2026, 2027 year. If you want to know about that whole process, there's information on the web. You can talk to former members. We have a 17-member advisory board, again from the international community, that meets to review these proposals and also help you develop them. So you submit pre-proposal and get it developed into something that looks very promising for a full proposal. Vincenzo, our first speaker, is actually a member of the advisory board, so you can consult him for how that whole process works, or me, or Lars Bildston, our director, who will be back later in the week. Very good. We have a code of conduct posted out there in the hallway, so please read that, and we hope everything will be conducted in a civilized manner for this conference. We need to give thanks to the NSF for supporting this conference. So, let's do that. Everything is recorded unless the speaker asks to opt out. So please use those microphones for questions. Otherwise, the people who are attending remote or who watch the talk later streamed will not be able to hear the questions. About the only rule we have for conferences here is that half the time, again, is allotted for questions. So these talks are going to be like 30 minutes plus 15, okay? So Olivier, who's the first session chair, he will be responsible for setting the tone for the entire meeting. If he fails, the entire conference fails. So. No. Yes. Yes, yeah. Well, we were warned in advance about the behavior of the first speaker. For speakers, there are instructions in your KITP packet for how you submit your talks to be posted online, and those go up pretty quickly. The staff will be wearing name tags if you need help. We should thank Craig Kunamoto is our head IT person. He's over there. Thank you, Craig. Claudia Gutierrez was the chief staff person for organizing the entire conference. She had to go away for the rest of the week, so she's not here, but let's thank her because she does fantastic work for that. And Alina Gutierrez is our online talks person, is out there in the ether overlooking everything, so let's thank her. She does a fantastic job. Wireless access is available. I think almost all of you have eduroam, so you can use that. Please wear your name tags because there's another program in residence at the moment on Murray materials, so they'll think all that wonderful food out there is for them. So So the staff will be checking your name tags so you can go out and participate in the food and all the discussions. The parking, if you need parking, is the slot 10 right there to the north, which is the mountains. Santa Barbara is very special that the ocean is to the south there, so the coast runs east-west along here. It's part of the reason for the kind of special climate in this area. So on the top floor of the parking lot 10 there, you'll find a kiosk where you can register under VIP parking. If you have to get in late because the doors lock like 4:30, there's a door where the caterers get in off the courtyard. So on the west side of the building there, you'll see a door and you can sneak in there. If you plan to bring family or someone else for the dinners, please let us know so that we have an accurate count. And at the end of the meeting, there's a sign-up sheet for the various ways of getting out to Santa Barbara Airbus or the airport or the Amtrak station. Finally, turn off your cell phones, and I will pass it to Daniel Sussman to make an announcement about the lightning talks. So have a great time, ask lots of questions in that 15-minute discussion period, and enjoy.